y'all want to know why I'm crying? Is because today is the day that my car goes away. Like, I'm a man. My car is gonna be gone, and I'm not gonna see it, and like I can't drive it. I can't do nothing because I'm no longer gonna have it. You see my car. If you saw the last video, I already told you about what was going on. Wait, what? Yeah, no, I have tears. These are tears. I said these are tears. Yeah, I'm crying. Okay, see, these are tears. Okay, so I'm sad because my car is not gonna be here no more, but it's okay. It's okay, because it's going to a good place. And we talked about this before, about how I need to do what I need to do to get my car where it needs to be. Okay, so actually, these aren't sad tears. These are happy tears. I said these are happy. Yeah, these are happy tears, okay? And I'm still crying with happiness and joy. Okay, we get it. Damn, guys, that went up my nose. They like went up here somehow. All right, damn. So, the reason why these are happy tears is because it's going to my boy Turbo James. Turbo James is the one that's gonna be rebuilding, actually not rebuilding, building a whole new motor. Gonna be doing the trans, gonna be doing everything for the car, inside and out. We're shooting for 4 digits. The horsepower on my GS300 is gonna be in the 4-digit range. Obviously drivability, I'm not gonna be driving with that on the street, but it's gonna be able to handle that. So right now, we're gonna wrap everything up, go drive over to Turbo James, drop the car off, and see what he has to talk about. Stay tuned. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Oh man, ready to do this?
I guess. What do you want to do?
Want to watch it all.
Damn, okay, so you
right.
cleared out because everything used to be just right here.
It's right there.
Oh, you've been here before?
Yeah.
I had to get this out of the shop. I took it all to home. I had to bring it all back.
Oh, it's a disaster back here.
Man, I thought you was gonna empty out. That gonna be.
Oh, yeah, you have no idea what I did empty out. I took out
Man,
I took a whole dumpster full of shit out of here.
I can't even put my car here, Mindy.
That's where your car's going tonight, right there.
Car.
Turbo James is crazy. This is bored, his to-do list. Ready? We'll wait. Yeah. Oh, 98. No, that's not me.
What's that C?
Wait.
Daniel's way
Damn.
at the bottom.
Why is that funny?
It was the only slot open on the board when I wrote it there.
They don't.
There's
That
no
don't-
order there.
That don't count right there. Like, I mean, I don't know.
This is not the order of when gets done.
Oh.
The order in which stuff gets done is where I have parts.
Hey, wait a minute. Okay, y'all.
Oh, your
pay
parts are
attention to
right
this.
there.
You see this? Listen and pay attention. So pretty much what he said without saying it, but he did say it. I heard it out loud. He said Rosa Parks. He said black people to
you're gonna go
the
there.
back of the bus, and then 62 Imperial. That looks like a white guy.
He wants you to write it. Go ahead, write it at the top, player.
Right at it.
So what he said was, he said, all this is on the house because I need my reparations. You know what I mean? I need my payback.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get back to the community.
Oh, that's getting really bad, isn't it? It
Yeah,
was just starting when I saw it last.
it's terrible. Even look at the top. Like, here.
I can tell you exactly what caused that. I would most likely say
Can I do
that they did not spray the clear coat on while the paint was still in flash. It flashed and dried, and then they shot this over the top of it when they should have gone and re-scuffed it.
Do that part.
And we're like, dude, I probably. Oh, there you go.
I was gonna do that part. Can I do let go?
I
Man,
haven't seen that much delamination of clear coat in 10 years.
Another one.
Helmet Park.
Yeah.
Ready, Daniel? Let's see if I can get this one.
Standing time, they would start peeling it.
You gotta be careful because it might
Because it's got to come off.
stab your fingers. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Once they got under the edge, and even
I
if you had a
can't
little
see you
spot
guys
like
do
this,
this.
and water could go down under the clear and go that way, it would still do the
It's
same
gonna
thing.
pop it all up.
It's gonna pop it all up.
That's what happens. Every single
One little fail.
every little car wash and all that. More. All of this stuff is one in my car. I don't know how it's gonna fit, but ooh, just in case you guys are confused about what the hell you're looking at, you see it. Yeah. You see it.
Intake manifold.
Oh, it's gonna be a bad.
Look at that.
It's gonna be a bad. Yeah.
Camshafts, pistons,
Yeah.
computers buried down there.
You guys made me do it. You guys made me do it. I didn't want to do it. I just wanted to chill. But you guys made me do it. So it's about to get stupid and
Keep an eye onto you. He wanted to do it.
and expensive.
True. That's
I think I'm crying again. Do I need some more? Like I didn't. Do I need to cry again?
Here, take a picture of that piece of art.
Hey guys, it's Big Daniel. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And also make sure you follow me on IG at Import Life Media. And remember, life is not happening to you, it's happening for you. Stay blessed.